Alright guys, it's finally turkey season. Finally back in the woods. I got second season. It's the first day, Wednesday, April 28th. And I'm hunting the evening. I had to work today, so won't be able to hunt the morning till weekend, but it's not a bad evening. Pretty comfortable temperatures. Hopefully the turkeys are out and about and I'll catch one scooting. But anyway, on the way to the blind now. See how this hunt pans out. Well, I think I'm going to wrap things up for today. It wasn't a very eventful hunt. Wish I could have shot that coyote. I had one hen come by and I kept hearing a gobbler across the field, probably 300 or 400 yards away at least. Never would come any closer to me, so I think tomorrow I'm going to sit across the field over there somewhere. My dad's got a blind over in the corner. It'll be a little closer to the tom, so hopefully he'll come into me over there and I can blast him. Alright guys, it's Sunday, May 2nd. I'm a little bit hungover, but I do hear a gobbler. Same one I was hearing yesterday, I'm sure. He's only a couple hundred yards away. Just over the wall. I can't see him at the moment. But I'm going to see if I can call him over to me. And maybe even see something else. We'll see. crime scene. I got some feathers here. I already found my arrow. That's where he did all his major flopping. I think my arrow is up here, a lot farther. Yep. See it down in there. Really don't have much for blood on it at all. But that don't really mean much for turkeys. Hopefully that gobbler getter really ripped him up and he didn't actually go far, I'm hoping. That wasn't too bad of a hunt. I'm gonna go see if I can find this bird. Alright, I just looked all around for my Jake. I could not find it. So that's unfortunate, but there's plenty of other turkeys out here. They're out and about today. I just on my way over to this other blind where I am now, and Tom and a hen were walking across the field. I think they just ducked into the woods. They weren't really interested in me once I got in the blind, but it makes me feel like there's more other toms around. So there was the other two that I saw this morning as well, but they kind of made their way off in the opposite direction, but who knows, they could come back too. So I'm gonna try this spot, and hopefully I get a little more action. We'll see how it goes.